In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best robotic window cleaners available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the robotic window cleaners list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the robotic window cleaners mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Automatic Water Spray Window Cleaner. Introducing the Automatic Water Spray Window Cleaner, a game-changer in household cleaning technology. This robotic vacuum cleaner is designed to redefine the way you approach window maintenance. With its integrated electric window wiper and remote control capabilities, this device makes the tedious task of window cleaning a thing of the past. Experience the effortless charm of pristine glass surfaces as this innovative cleaner combines automated water spray with precision navigation. Number 4, CHOVERY Smart Window Glass Cleaner. Step into the future of window cleaning with the CHOVERY Smart Window Glass Cleaner. This state-of-the-art robot vacuum cleaner is not just smart, it's a technological marvel. Offering remote control functionality, this device adapts to your lifestyle, ensuring your windows stay crystal clear with minimal effort. Say farewell to streaks and smudges as this electric smart cleaner effortlessly glides across glass surfaces, leaving a spotless finish behind. This robotic window cleaner's link in description. You can check more information and buy here. Number 3, PuRuiKai Electric Automatic Window Cleaner. Meet the PuRuiKai Electric Automatic Window Cleaner, a robotic vacuum cleaner designed to make window cleaning a breeze. Featuring advanced app remote control and two-way automatic spray, this device takes the chore out of maintaining clear windows. Watch as it navigates and cleans with precision, leaving your glass surfaces gleaming. Embrace the convenience of cutting-edge technology for a spotless and hassle-free window cleaning experience. Number 2, ABIR WD8 Robot Window Vacuum Cleaner. Experience the next level of window cleaning sophistication with the ABIR WD8 Robot Window Vacuum Cleaner. This intelligent device, equipped with dual water spray, laser sensors, and smart home integration, ensures a thorough and efficient cleaning process. Control it effortlessly through an app or remote, and witness the seamless marriage of technology and cleanliness as it tackles both wet and dry cleaning tasks on glass walls. If you want to get more information and buy this robotic window cleaners, please check the link in description. Number 1, AlfaBot High Suction Window Cleaning Robot. Unleash the cleaning power of the AlfaBot High Suction Window Cleaning Robot, a remarkable addition to your household. Boasting high suction capability, anti-falling technology, and a user-friendly remote control, this robotic vacuum cleaner sets the standard for window cleaning excellence. From the ground up, this device ensures your windows stay impeccably clean, providing a high-suction, anti-fall solution that combines cutting-edge technology with the convenience of remote control operation. Elevate your cleaning routine with this powerful and efficient window cleaning robot.